Good afternoon, sir. Nandito kami upang iulat ang aming business na Sweet Bake Shop.
History of business. The business began with a simple goal to share affordable and delicious baked goods with the community. It started when Marlene thinking that she want to make a business about baking sweets, so we agree and named the business Sweet Bake Shop because Marlene know how to bake cakes, cupcakes, etc.
Go.
Andres Physical or Online. Ayugan Q, San Francisco, Busan, Malaysia.
Go.
Future of business, goods, manufacturing, baking and selling cakes and breads.
Go.
Product and services offered. Online order and delivery service. Custom birthday cakes and cupcakes, bread and pastries.
Can you communicate with customers? Yes, customers can contact us through our Facebook page and online store for inquiries and orders.